In my previous videos, you learn about print command and assign the variables in Python. You can see the link of these videos at the end of screen. In this video, I explain how to use concatenate operator in Python. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. Suppose name is the variable. Statisticians Club is the name of my YouTube channel. So I want to print its name. Hit on run command. Here the name Statisticians Club print. Now I use concatenation operator. So concatenation means breakup. So I want to break these names and then join. So first name first underscore name is equal to statistician. Last underscore name is equal to club. Full underscore name is equal to first name plus last name. Use print command. Full underscore name. Here is the name Statisticians Club. So you can see first I break up the name statistician, first name, last name, club, and full name, first name plus last name, print full name, and we can see the full name of channel. So we perform concatenation. First we break up and then rejoin the names. This procedure is called concatenation. So we discuss another example. We want to concatenate welcome to Statisticians Club. So we want welcome to Statisticians Club. So first we greeting is equal to welcome, and then I also introduce a separator helping verb. I name it as verb 2, and then YouTube underscore channel underscore name is equal to statisticians club. So now I want to combine all these breakup names. So whole underscore sentence is equal to first variable greeting check their spellings carefully. If there is any mistake among spellings like small letters or capital letters, so it create error. Next is separator. Separators verb YouTube underscore channel YouTube underscore channel underscore name. So now we print whole underscore sentence hit on run command. Here you can see welcome to statisticians club. So in this example we can concatenate 4 variables to form a sentence. Remember that concatenation both variables and strings, we can concatenate both variables and string combine. So this can be possible. You can also use plus sign to some numbers, and you cannot use concatenate strings with number. You cannot use plus sign to combine strings and numbers. Suppose I use here print the sum of 3 plus 2 is sum of 3 plus 2 is plus. Now this number is inverted commas, this is string and this is also string, so we sum up both strings and we concatenate strings and with number. The sum of 2 plus 3 is 5. Suppose that use print command, the sum of 2 plus 2 is sum of 2 plus 2 is plus 4. So there is error because it did not concatenate a string with number. String concatenate with string. If you want to see videos on how to generate, how to assign variable name in Python, how to use print command in Python, how to use increment operator module in Python, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.